Ka regional committee ka West Jaintia Hills kala shim ya ka raiban aiti no ya ka kaiphod pynbeit put jongka sya ka sorkar jela hapoh kini ki art bnai banwan. Haba pentip ya kini hadian kejinya lang ke balalong haka khat kendai trik no pra u chairman ka komiti buat sembut menteri rangba ke jela uba asnya bhalang dhar ulaong ngila betha ya ki bor district bakin Pynkhreh ya ka kaiphod ha ka bayade buat kishnong ki bahab hapoh block 1 ha ka ba kila kerpat ban aipor ban pendep hapoh kini ki shibnai ne arbnai. Maria dep Pynkhreh ya ka kaiphod ngin sa aiti sya ka sorkar jela ka ban sabishar bnia hashwa ban ya kendu iki bor badai khmi ka sorkar Assam ula benram. Ha ka bayade wit ka jing dawa ban penpai biang ya ki lai pun riu teli ki shnong ki bahab hapoh block 1 syapoh Meghalaya uba snya bhalang ula ong ho oit ki la penpau ya ki jing sngo jongki halor kani ka kam bat ngila shimlot ya baro ki mat bat ki jing kerpat jongki. Henry Baro ar sorkar jela kin syong jingelang bat ki artali ki regional committee bat da ka ba pensyong nong rim ya ki kaiphod jongi kin sa shim rai halor kani kaphang. Ula pentip ru ba ka regional committee kan sa syong jingelang biang ha ka tayo ka ba ar ne ha ka balai jong ubnai ke lalingkot usnem arhajar arpusan. Nalor kata uni menteri upentip ba ka komiti kalaya tairu halor ki jingja ki bayde bet ki jing pentre jong ka Assam ya ki jingte ha ka than block 1. Ngila ai ka jing betha ya ki bor district bakin lej ban pensange ya kani ka jing pentre namar ba kani ka jaka ka hap haki benta ki badan hapedeng ka jing iaka ja ulaong. Haba banjur halor ka jing don kam ban penne ya ka status quo. Hakawai pat ke benta usembut menteri rangba ulayai ban halor ke jingkong san jong baro ki arjela ban syak ya ki jing pentre ki bayade bat karoi kapar halor ki kendon badai ban da pentip syak ki bor district badai khmi. Kata ka bomshem lalong kumta ha kani ke jingja ka badang shen. Haba penpau ba ka sorkar kala kut jing mut scam ban pynbeit ya ki kam khapun uba dhar ulaong ba menteri rangba ka Assam ban Meghalaya shen kin saya pynbeit ya ka tarik ban lej jurip ya kini ki jaka ki badan hapdeng ke jing ya kaja. Wat la kam shem ladon ke jing bu por na ka benta ke jing kran pynbeit put ha ka kala ka baar Henry ngila persyang ban la ban pynbeit keloi kat bala ya kini ka kam ula benram.
Today we discuss it, so we have instructed the district administration and this in the meantime to stop all their work because still all the areas is functional areas of different, so we request them to stop it immediately until we sit and discuss about the state government. This is happening every now and then. That is one reason our people suffer, so they should remain status quo. And yes, there is some part also both the state they should allow for developmental activities to go ahead, provided that before they do any project, they should contact the district administration. But unfortunately now it seems they didn't inform, so we told our please stop them for the time being. They come to the where the area where they should not do anything at present, so we already coordinate with them. Kindly cooperate. No, there is nothing. I think we just meet together all the members because long time we did and discuss the pros and cons. And also we just like to update all those areas and everything's well, it's okay. And we asked the report from the district administration also for a few report that the committee wants, and they are still on the way of preparation. They asked us time and it's another 1-2 months, so that is only just get together actually. And when they finish the report which we want to present to the state government, so when the report is ready, then we'll send to the state government and the state government will see it and maybe we'll call the other counterpart. That's simple today, nothing. All together we discuss all this. So this we have to decide both the state government, no, Assam and Meghalaya. Yes, they express their feeling, this and that. So we capture all those points over, all those requests also. And first we have to place first in the state government and then we will sit both the state government together along with the two regional committee respectively. Complete from our side first, then we can take a call. Ready from our side. And then the state government official will coordinate with the other counterpart. Then we will be able to fix a meeting. There are so many reports, how many villages along the existing border, how many kilometers all these villages from the border point, and how many villages are there Karbi peoples, how many villages are there Khasi peoples, what are the population which has settled along the existing border. All this the report have to prepare because before we present to both the state government.